Good morning, YouTubers. Nightimus here. I'm back with another food review. Today I'm at McDonald's. I finally woke up early enough because we have some new items. We have some spicy sandwiches now. We have the spicy sausage and egg McMuffin and the spicy egg McMuffin. I also bought me a third sandwich. That being the steak, egg, and cheese bagel. We already had this for a while, but I never reviewed it. But I did get. So I got the spicy egg McMuffin, the sausage egg McMuffin. Now keep in mind, because I have the app, I was able to get the bagel for $2 because I have the app. And the spicy sausage and egg McMuffin, that one was $5.19. Then the spicy egg McMuffin was $5.69. So for the three sandwiches, I got them for $12.88. With tax being $1.12, it came to $14 even. Which, speaking of spicy, I forgot to get something else. Hang on. Alright guys, I'm back. Sorry, I forgot to get some hot picante. I love hot picante, you guys. So I think we're gonna start with one of the spicy ones first. Let's do the egg McMuffin. Now, keep in mind, I don't do the mornings anymore. I don't work in the mornings anymore. I do the evenings, and I know these came out. I already knew about them coming out. So, ooh, here's the egg McMuffin. So from what I'm seeing, it just this might be that spicy pepper sauce that we put on like on our chicken, the chicken McCrispies, and that you can get on like the spicy McCrispies, what I'm saying, and on our recently new snack wraps. So I think it's just some spicy pepper sauce. Now I don't know if we actually offer spicy sauce in the mornings like regularly. I'm not too sure about that, but still pretty good nonetheless. So an egg McMuffin as usual, but I'm guessing instead of butter, I don't know if it's still buttered or not, because again, like I said, I don't do the mornings anymore. But still got some spicy pepper sauce, which is really good. As soon as I found out we were getting those, I was really interested. Just gotta wake up early, but cheers. And piece of cheese falls off. Okay, it's good. It's not a strong kick, but it's... Oh yeah. That's strong. It's still in my mouth. Hang on. It's kicking a little bit. Not super strong, but it's strong kick. So enough to make you want to take a few sips. So with that spice, ooh, I love spiciness, so I couldn't resist. But hey, maybe with some hot picante, might make it even better. Hot picante. The egg and the Canadian bacon is nice and moist, not dry at all. And with that English muffin, I wouldn't call it crispy, but still really good. Still tastes like an everyday English muffin from McDonald's. Really good, especially with that kick. And the hot picante. Now keep in mind, hot picante is not really that spicy. It'll give you a little kick, but not like crazy spicy. Not like the pepper sauce spicy. No, that one did kick me a little bit. That's what I was hoping for, the napkins, because I forgot. Okay. Okay, now on to the steak, egg, and cheese bagel. Now, we've had these for a while now. I just never done a video on them. I've tried them before. Just didn't video them. So, from what it looks like, some type of sauce. I don't know if it. Some type of creamy mayonnaise. If that is mayo. It's pretty yellow. Let's keep in mind. Pretty yellow. So it's a bagel, a toasted bagel with egg, cheese, and your choice of meat. I got the steak, and it has some slivered onion. Looks really good. So again, I've had this before, but my first time reviewing it, so I'm doing this just for you guys. So again, the steak, egg, and cheese bagel. So it's got steak, slivered onions for that flavor, which I love onions. Then some pepper. Looks like some pepper. Oh no! I love onions. With a folded egg and cheese. Cheers. Mmm. That steak is really good. And it looks like it's cooked well. Like well done. It's not too dry. Still really good. And honestly, that's how I like my meat. I don't like seeing pink. That's just me. Because when I see pink, I feel like it's still raw. And that makes me uncomfortable to eat it. But that's just me, you guys. But I know it's still cooked well. I just prefer something like this. Might sound weird, but still good. And with that onion, ooh. Mmm. Mmm. Ooh, the onions make it taste really good. The onions give it taste, give it flavor. Because if we didn't cook them with the steak, it'd probably be like a bland. Not even the black pepper would help. It probably still tastes pretty bland. And with the egg, ooh. It's so good, I love it. Now let's try it with some hot picante. Again, it's not spicy, not crazy spicy, but it still gives you a kick. Not like that creamy pepper sauce. I think it's called creamy pepper sauce. I keep forgetting. But still, nonetheless, pretty good. Mmm. Ooh, hello. It tastes really good. Now again, it's not really spicy hot picante in general, but still tastes really good with it. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Piece of onion. Stay there. Mm-hmm. Now the bagel is toasted, of course, and you can definitely taste that steak and onion. Really good. Again, pretty good. I guess because it's hard, because I guess it's toasted, which makes it really hard, but still pretty good. Mmm. Mmm. And for this mayo, like I said, pretty yellow. And let me see what this tastes of. I wouldn't really call it a tangy taste. nor did it have a sweetness to it, but again, you can't really tell what kind of sauce this is. But nonetheless, still pretty good. I'm trying to describe to you what it is. I think it is mayo. Just not sure what kind. Had like a tangy taste to it, but not that strong. But if you have it, it's kind of creamy too. Might just have like a creamy taste to it, like between a yellow to off-white. But cheers. Now onto the spicy sausage and egg McMuffin. Again, same drill like the egg McMuffin, but with sausage instead. And with creamy pepper sauce. Again, this is the same creamy pepper sauce that we put on our McCrispies and on our recently new snack wraps. It's already kicking. Even I just took a little bit and it's already kicking. Oh yeah, it's kicking. So again, same thing with sausage this time. Cheers. I'm gonna see all of that. Cheers. You can taste the sausage a little bit, which is still nice and moist on mine. Still nice and juicy, and with that round egg, pretty good with that kick. Still nice and juicy, and again, it's not dry at all, which is how I love it. Now again, I don't know if we still butter these because these are new. I don't know if they do. Still pretty good. If not, don't care. Still something you want to have something spicy. Still pretty good, especially for breakfast. You know the drill. Happy picante. Cheers. My coworker working. I don't really want to film them. Okay. Oh, it's good. Even with the hot picante. Because of the creamy pepper sauce, not because of the hot picante, but still, it's kicking a little bit. Oh. Ooh. Ah. It's been a while since I had spice for breakfast, you guys, but that sausage was still nice and moist. You can still definitely taste that savory sausage, and with the rounded egg on that McMuffin with the cheese. That was really good. And spicy that you might want to drink, okay? I wasn't really planning on getting a drink. I just wanted the sandwiches, but my boss decided to just give it to me. I asked her for a water cup, but instead I got this. Hey, babe, that's even better. Hey, so if you're watching this, Maria, thanks. Hey. Alright, you guys, that was my review, my thoughts on the new spicy sausage egg McMuffin, along with the new spicy egg McMuffin and the steak, egg, and cheese bagel. I would definitely buy them again, you guys, especially for breakfast. If you want something really spicy, and if you want steak for breakfast, come to McDonald's. Again, because we don't do all-day breakfast anymore. It's been years since we stopped that because of COVID, unfortunately. But either way, if you can wake up early, you have until 10:30. That's when we stop breakfast. But regardless, once you wake up, go to McDonald's, okay, you guys? Again, if you have the app, you can get a deal on the bagels. Now, there's no promotion for the spicy McMuffins because they're brand new, so there's no promotion on that one. But I don't care. But I still got the steak bagel because I used the app. I was able to get the steak bagel for $2. Hey, and you get points out of them too. But anyway, you guys, that was my review on them. I'll be back with another video ASAP. But for now, this is Nightimus rolling out. Thank you guys. Take care for now. Till all are one.